Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as I'm sure you saw by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I created this eye look right here. Okay, so full disclaimer about this look, it is pretty much almost an exact recreation of Demier. I don't know if I'm saying that name right, but anyway, another creator here on YouTube. I discovered this tutorial the other day and I fell in love with it. I thought it was so beautiful, and of course, like, these are the colors that I absolutely love. And then you throw in glitter, bitch, I'm in. So even though I am using pretty much the exact same colors that she used in her tutorial, and of course I'm going to link that down below, by the way, I wouldn't just take someone's idea and not give them credit. That's insane. Don't do that. Her video is basically based on the fact that she has hooded eyes, and I can 1000% relate to that because I too have extremely hooded eyes. I have a lot of lid space, but I also have a lot of skin. That sounds disgusting, but I have a lot of skin to deal with in said lid space. So I have to be very careful with how I create my cut creases and things of that nature because it doesn't always look as good on me as it would on anybody else if I didn't use specific techniques. So as far as like the glitter goes, yeah, your girl can't do it in the crease. But if you watch the video, you'll see how I do it. Don't worry about that. There should literally be a drinking game on my channel with how many times I have to wipe my teeth off because there's lipstick on it. Y'all be wasted fast. If you are enjoying this video thus far, or have seen a couple other of my videos and you just haven't yet subscribed, what you waiting for, honey? Because I'm here. If that's disgusting. No, but please go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you go on with the rest of this video, because trust me, you are going to want to hang around and binge watch the rest of the videos that I've got. I mean, I know. I already know. So just like do it. Save yourself some time later. Just do it now. It's fine. And hit that notification bell right next to that, you know, just so like in the future, in case, you know, you don't have time to hop on really quick and look for one of my videos, you'll just get notified. I know, I'm saving you so much time. I got you. So without further ado, let's jump over to the voiceover so I can show you exactly how I created this look right here. Alright friends, let's dive on in. So the palette that I'm going to use to create this beautiful orange look right here is the Morphe 3502 palette. Guys, I love this palette. So as my transition shade, I'm just jumping in with the universal shade in the palette. If you actually own this palette, then the shades are actually named. So that's kind of how I know their names. Then taking a large fluffy blending brush, I am taking the shade Ablaze. Isn't this the most beautiful orange you've ever seen? It is just a fiery orange. God, I love it so much. And I'm just literally putting it all over the crease, not being super careful where I put it because, as usual, guys, in a cut crease, we will clean it up later. So don't you worry about making a mess. Just make sure all your edges, yeah, girl, just make sure all your edges are blended, and you're doing great, sweetie. So jumping in with the shade Fire. I love that name. Literally love that name because the shade is fire. I'm just taking a more dense, fluffy blending brush and applying it into the crease and outer corner as well, making sure that I'm blending my edges nice and seamlessly. So jumping in with a mixture of the shades Chestnut and Brave on an even more dense blending brush, and I'm focusing this mainly in the crease area and outer corner because I really want to darken up these areas because it's just going to look so pretty here in the end with a dark outer corner with that wing liner that I've got planned. And then just taking the original blending brush without any extra product and just blending all of the colors together because I want to keep it seamless. That's how I do things on this channel, baby. Keep it seamless. So I'm highlighting my brow bone with the shade Pure in the palette. It is a gorgeous gold, like champagne toned shimmer. And I'm also going to highlight what are these called? The inner corners. Wow. I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eye and taking that same blending brush and blending the shimmers in. This is where we're cutting the crease. I kind of jumped through this a little quickly because I know you guys have seen me do it before. This is kind of the only thing that's super special about me. I have to do this crazy weird head motion. We've all seen this before. I think Nicole Guerrero is the first person to ever like put it out on YouTube. And basically it's just using my lid to point out a new crease area so that you can actually see the crease whenever I put further shadows for the cut crease on. Does that make any sense? Probably not. I even got confused saying that.
So I'm jumping back in with the Ablaze color and the shade Sauce here in just a second. So I'm taking that Sauce shade all over my lid where I just put down the concealer, and then I'm taking a little bit of the Ablaze to mix them together. Guys, here's the star of the show. This is like the Urban Decay liquid glitter liner nonsense stuff. You know what they're called. I'm sure it's not that. But this is in the shade Midnight Cowboy, and I am just tracing the line of where my cut crease was. Now, like I was trying to explain earlier and I confused all of us, it is above my natural crease, so you can still see it when my eyes are open, because, you know, with these hooded eyes, you can't see nothing with your eyeballs closed. So you'll notice in this clip here that I've already got my winged liner on, and I'm taking a little bit of that brunette shade on a pencil brush to really darken up and deepen the outer corner so that the bright orange and the shimmer shades remain the star of the show. Then I'm going to drag that deeper color underneath of my lash line, actually put on some lashes, finish up the rest of the face, and that's pretty much the end of this look, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Here's the outro.
So see guys, it really wasn't that complicated, was it? So I hope that you did learn something in this video, especially for those of you out there with hooded eyes. Maybe you learned a new technique, or maybe how to apply kind of, you know, like this halo of glitter type deal on your eyeballs. Like I said in the beginning of the video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go, and click the notification bell right next to it so you get notified every single time that I upload, because like I said, trust me, you want to be here. Didn't take long. Did not take long. Thanks again for watching this one, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.